Welcome to the SARS Self-Service Terminal Guide, where transacting with SARS becomes a seamless experience. Skip the queue and experience the convenience of our SARS self-service terminals located within our branches. Access your tax inquiries swiftly and effortlessly. The first step is to authenticate yourself on the terminal. Tap Click here to initiate a query. Select the option to scan your ID document or driver's license. Listen for a beep to continue. This step is crucial as it ensures that your identity is verified and the system can access your information securely. If you forgot your ID document or driver's license, you can still use the terminal by selecting I don't have ID or driver's license to scan. You will need your tax number to continue. If you don't have your tax number with you, tap on I want to request my tax number. Then provide your details. The tax number will be sent to your email or cell phone. Step 2 is to select the service you require. The terminal will display a menu of available services. Select the service that you need. Confirm your selection to proceed. Step 3, complete your ID number, your name and surname, and then click Submit. The next screen, your contact details will be pre-populated. Tick the method to receive your communication. Then click on Confirm. If your query requires you to submit supporting documents, upload any necessary documents as prompted by the terminal. Scan the documents to upload. Once you have completed, select Submit to process your transaction. Finally, tap Log out of the terminal. Ensure that all documents are removed and clear all personal information from the terminal before leaving. Experience ultimate convenience with our self-service terminal. Easily register for your tax number, request it, or obtain a proof of registration, IT-150, in either hard or soft copy. Effortlessly view your notice of assessment, IT-34, get your statement of account, apply for tax compliance status PIN, report an estate case, or even report digital fraud on your account, all at your fingertips. SARS, at your service.